How does Matrix typically build in flexibility to your all systems?
Yeah, really, when we're starting out a process and initial conversations with a customer, not only are we looking at, the processes that we're automating, but the parts, the part families, the geometries that, yes, they're running today, but may in the future increase in volume or may warrant automating down the road.
Yeah.
And so we try to design in flexibility into things like the grippers, the trays, the kind of stack up of all the tolerancing and all these critical areas of the cell, so that, let's say 2 or 3 years down the road, you have a new part family that comes in, you're not totally starting from scratch. You're able to quickly redeploy or reallocate the robot for this new machine, new operation, and utilizing tools like the SCHUNK electric grippers with the quick change fingers, so that, yes, day to day, you're maintaining a quick changeover time and you're not having to change out a bunch of fingers manually and, bolt and unbolt, but you're quickly toolless changeover. You come in, you can drive it to any stroke, and new part types come in. You're able to add a new part type in a matter of a couple of hours, not days, because you really have that flexibility baked in kind of from the start or from the kind of core of M10.
Yeah. So there's flexibility and quick change systems we can add to the system.
Yep.
I think another element that is worth touching on is like how technologies advance maybe in like programming, right? So I'm sure teaching in new parts has probably become a lot simpler in the past couple of years as well. And I'm sure some of the solutions you guys bring to the market as well.
Absolutely. Yeah. So not only, the old school teach pendant, coding and traditional programming in play with the CRX, but it brings 2 additional elements to the table. One is the icon-based drag and drop programming, where you can come in and in a more intuitive and user-friendly way be able to create these programs, or also spatially teach the robot and move it, through these different steps and operations, and then fine-tune that, on the teach pendant, so that whether you're, a 20-year-old veteran that's been programming for their whole life, or a first-time automation buyer and really, are just getting your feet wet, it's there and it's accessible.
Yeah, that is actually a huge point, right?
We see, in every manufacturing process and automation project, one of the hardest elements is change, and it's adapting to that change and being able to scale and grow with it. And there's a lot of just learning to do for the first time, but a lot of the tools and technology we've put in place here help to reduce that and really speed up that deployment.
Yeah.